Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at the market rundown heading into Friday, February 3rd, we've got the S&P 500, fourth day in a row holding the middle Bollinger Band support as it continues to ascend very slowly. So the range I'm watching is the low of the week, 226, make that 2267. And the high of the week up at 22.89. So we are in a pretty tight range, but we keep holding support. And again, what stands out is we have not closed near the low of the day all but once in 2017. Every other time the bulls buy the dip, and it's like clockwork, power hour, the last hour of trading, the bulls see a run and a bit of a recovery at the end of the day. So on the weekly time frame, this leaves us with an inside candlestick with a tightening range. Unlikely to break this tomorrow, so we will likely be watching an inside candlestick next week, with the range of this week being important, which is pretty much what I just highlighted on the daily time frame. IWM continues to be the weakest market. Very clear lower highs. We have 1, 2, 3 lower highs, and we're on the verge of key support down at 133.12, 133.24, and the bears are knocking the price back down, and we're heading back to that level. So the Bollinger Bands have been keeping this range very tight, bouncing, pinballing back and forth, and we are heading back towards that lower Bollinger Band and towards that key support. The weekly time frame is still bullish, however, as it's normal healthy consolidation, just a very slight downtrend, but still almost sideways and still very strong compared to where we came from after a 5-week all-out breakout. So bulls still maintaining control here, keeping an eye on that MACD as it is getting closer and closer to a potential bear cross. And last, we've got QQQ. It came close to an all-time high again today, 125.92. We came 22 cents away. Bulls still holding on, and I'm watching the range here. The low of the consolidation support, 123.85, and the all-time high, 125.92. Weekly time frame is a potential bearish reversal. Dragonfly doji at the top of an uptrend after 4 weeks in a row of straight bulls. So if we see a break of this inside candlestick next week to the downside, we will be looking to confirm that reversal candlestick. And we'll be looking to see some normal healthy consolidation. As you can see, we see a 3 bull week move, 1 week of consolidation, 3 green, 1 red, 4 green, and then we'll see how many red come after that 4 green bull week move. So all about the S&P 500 in the middle Bollinger Band. That continues to be the story day after day, and it continues to be the same result with the bulls buying the dip, defending that support, and we actually have some nice shorter-term trading opportunities off of this middle Bollinger Band support. If you check out the SPY video that I do every day, we had a nice setup today with a pullback and a bounce right off that daily middle Bollinger Band. So I appreciate you watching. We'll wrap up the week over the weekend, and likely going to be preparing ourselves for QQQ and the S&P 500 to have inside weekly candlesticks to watch next week. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.